Welcome to the video, and in this video I'm going to speak about lead pages and how to build one and explain you the whole process. Now, if you don't know what a lead page is, it is a specific page that either you gather emails so that you can use these emails and send promotions to the people, the emails that you received. Like you can send promotions for your products, your services, and things like that. Or you can make a direct sale via like through your lead page, and I can show you also that and how that works. So now, first of all, let's go to pricing, because there is some pricing for this website. This is actually the most trusted and recommended page from us to use for lead pages. And as you can see here, the first package is the standard package, pro and advanced. Now, if you just start, if you're starting like right now and you don't have lead pages or you don't use lead pages in the past, you can just start with this one. And you can see also all of the features and things that the different packages offer. But if you start with the link under the video, you will get a 14-day free trial. So grab that link and start from there. Now let's just go to show you how to build a lead page. And it's actually a very easy process. So let me see. As you can see here, there are all kinds of lead pages. And we can start. Yeah, you actually you come here and you press try it for free. And I will pause the video now, and then I will come back when I have already signed in. And as something like an information, you just go here, try it for free or try it free, and you just make an account. Now we have already an account, so we don't need to press here. I will just press here. So I will pause again the video and I will sign in. Okay, so I just signed in and I will show you how to build up your new lead page. You just go here, create new lead page, and there are different types of lead pages that you can build here. We're just gonna go in the first category, and here there are also other categories, and we're going to go and show you, let's say this one, free guide. Okay, so now as you can see here, there are different options on how your lead page is going to look like, and let's just go and build from this one. Okay,